He says, you watch, I'm coming out swinging this next year. I didn't know he was on his own team, so that was kind of cool to see that, you know, it's all so, you know,
yeah, get it away from his skin. It's rubbing up against his sweat.
Yeah, and I mean, just heartbreaking hearing that chain break. That's something, it's not a common occurrence. I mean, yeah, it could happen. I know you guys talk about it, it gets wedged in there, it gets in between the sprockets, you know, it's kind of go there. Luckily, they just had a master link and they able to get it, but a little too late, you know, unfortunately, during that time.
But they were able to fix it and get back up.
Absolutely.
They still finished.
Well, yeah, and it's not only that. I mean, we still have VCPs, and then there's a lot of things could happen. And like you're talking about 10 minutes, that could change the entire boat. And I've seen that before.
I think in a little bit here we're also going to go kind of back to our map video and kind of get you guys up to speed. But in front of me, we're taking a look, and still so much more race left to run. And we saw, here we go. I'm going to pull back just a little bit, but I mean, just look at that course right now. It's just littered with vehicles. 237 vehicles we had in for. So.
This is something I know Nick and I have watched over the years. It's something that's not very common. This is a very long race. I mean, you get guys coming in, the bikes come in, and we still really, but the trucks. I mean, then we go back down. I mean, early morning, guys are going to this one's far from it.